Namaste to all of you. Dear friends, today's topic is very, very important and hot topic. That's about fats to be used in our daily food. Fats are playing very, very important role. And in Ayurveda, we believe that complete food is when you use carbohydrates, protein, fats, fibers, water, minerals, vitamins in proper proportion. So you can't have only carbohydrates, you just can't have only proteins or fats. It should be in good proportion. And fats are very, very important nowadays because of our lifestyle. Our lifestyle is totally different than 40, 50 years ago. We are not doing much physically. And a lot of problems people are facing because of the overweight, like cholesterol problem, heart problems, stroke, things like that. And we all know that fat has to do something with the cholesterol. And we have got two types of cholesterol, LDL, that is low density lipids, and you have got HDL, that is a high density lipids. And LDL is considered to be bad for our health because whensoever LDL, low density lipid, that encounters free radical, that is what unstable molecule in our body is, and when it combines with that, then we get oxidized cholesterol, and that's very, very bad for the body because that triggers inflammation in the body. Whensoever there is inflammation in the body, white blood corpuscles that comes to engulf that inflammation, and by doing that it makes a new type of cell, what we call the plaque. And then that plaque, whensoever that breaks apart, then that causes a lot of problems because that's going to give you blood clot in the arteries. If it's in the artery of the heart, of course it's going to give you problem in the heart attack or things like that. And if it's going to block your artery in the brain, then it's sort of stroke one can get. So very, very dangerous situation. But not only heart or stroke problems, but our immune system may mistake this oxidized cholesterol for bacteria and tries to fight off that. And that may cause inflammation. And there it starts arteriosclerosis type of diseases. So that way, fats plays very, very important role to have quality-wise good life. So one should pay attention to good fats. That what lowers your LDL, low density lipids, and increases your HDL, high density lipids. And that for we have got different types of oils. You see, first of all, we have got PUFA oils. PUFA is polyunsaturated fatty acids. This is a group of oils what are liquid in the room temperature. And these oils are what very easily available. There is sunflower oil, soya oil, walnut oil, and corn oil, flax seed oil. So these are all polyunsaturated fatty acids. So these polyunsaturated fatty acids are good for low density lipids, but it decreases also your HDL, high density lipids. So therefore, one should not be taking this type of oils. Then you have got a second type of oils, that is monounsaturated fatty acids. Monounsaturated fatty acids, that is what may lower your LDL and increase your HDL. And that is the best choice to be used in your food, in your cooking every day. And these are good for blood vessels. So that's what is just opposite to that what I say, arteriosclerosis. So these oils are olive oil, almond oil, avocado oil, and peanuts oil. These all come in the category of mono unsaturated fatty acids, that is MUFA oils. So one should take these oils in place of taking PUFA oil, because we have to increase our HDL, high density lipids. Not only we have to lower our low density lipids. So that attention we should give. So then in short we can say that one should avoid taking poof oils. One should not be having fried things in the oil, because that leads to oxidized cholesterol. And the third one is that we should avoid taking hydrogenated oils like margarines. So these are not that good for our health, for our system. So in Ayurveda, we are convinced that the best fat to be used is ghee. Ghee is made of this cow's butter, but Ayurvedic ghee is a bit different. That first of all, we make yogurt out of the milk, and that yogurt we get butter out of that, and that butter we make ghee. And this ghee, what is made from yogurt, it has got pitta quality in it. That makes everything whatsoever we eat easily digestible, and that fat is not going to increase your LDL, but it helps to increase your HDL, high density lipids. That's what Ayurveda believes, and it's a real source of energy. And ghee gives you more energy than proteins and carbohydrates. So that's why Ayurveda goes for using ghee every day, 15 to 20 grams per person in your warm food. So it gives you energy, it's good for your mind, it's good for your memory, it boosts your immunity system, and a lot of energy you get out of it, because 1 gram of ghee has got 9 calories, and all other carbohydrates and protein that gives you just 4. And Ayurveda believes that the energy whensoever you need in emergency, so first of all, it's ghee what can give you energy. So ghee is the best source of energy, so one should use every day in his food. So in short, I can say that MUFA oil, argot, and ghee is the best. PUFA should be avoided, fried food should be avoided, and hydrogenated fats like margarine should be avoided. And I think the message is clear. Thank you very much. See you next time.